Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your delivery address on Meesho account. To change your delivery address on Meesho, first of all, launch the Meesho app open on your device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and make sure that you're logged into the account. After you're inside the home page, if you go to the very top of the screen, you will see a delivering address right underneath the search box. Tap on it and then this will take you to the option where you can change your delivery address. Type in the new delivery pin code in the text box and click submit. After doing so, your delivery address will be changed. So that's how you easily do it. Now your products that you order will be delivered on this particular address that you just changed to. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.